small in size, but filled with endless love. These beautiful creatures are nature's messengers of affection. They are the lovebirds. These devoted pairs rarely stay apart and are considered symbols of love all around the world. Lovebirds originally evolved in the tropical forests and grasslands of Africa. Green, yellow, blue, orange, they're colorful. Appearance captures the hearts of everyone who sees them. Though small in size, lovebirds have incredibly strong beaks. They can easily crack seeds and nuts. With 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing backward, their feet help them grip tree branches firmly. Lovebirds are intelligent. They can remember certain sounds and even recognize human actions. Once a pair bond is formed, they usually stay together for life. Preening each other's feathers is one of the beautiful ways they express their affection. Sleeping together on the same branch, they are often seen as a symbol of true loyalty. Feeding on fruits, seeds, and flowers, lovebirds help spread seeds that allow new plants to grow. However, they are also hunted by predators. Hawks, snakes, and wild cats are among their natural enemies. After their chicks are born, both the mother and father work together to raise and protect them. Today, deforestation and the illegal pet trade have become the greatest threats to lovebirds. Love, unity, loyalty. Lovebirds are the living embodiment of these qualities. Let us protect these beautiful ambassadors of love and preserve them for future generations.